Riri, I'm not mad at you, baby. It was my fault. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. I am back. Long time no see. Like, where you been? I know I've been not here, but we're back and ready to rumble. By the time of this video, you guys already know what's about to go down. I'm going to show you guys start to finish how I install my Itips. Let's get right into it because I got a trip to go on tomorrow and I haven't even packed, so let's go. I wanted to do this more like FaceTime, like chill vibes, like, because you know, usually I can get my lights, my background, all that. I feel like doing all that, girls. You know how you like FaceTime your friend and you doing your hair? I wanted to kind of give that vibe. So if you're doing your hair, just take off the bonnet, girl. Let me see. And like, let's just get into it. And this is what I use to blow out my hair. I'll have everything linked that I use below in the description box. I want it to be fresh, the blowout, so. Okay, so now that I have my hair prepped, it's time to prep our extension. This is how the hair is looking. Again, I will link everything online. This is the hair wash. This is the tips. To prep the hair, I'm just gonna blow it out because I want it to imitate my hair. And I'm gonna start from ends and work my way up. Ooh. This is the hair all blown out. Like, it looks weird, but are we seeing the resemblance? It is a little bit lighter than my hair, but you know, that's fine. It's cool. This is all the preparation I have to do for this hair. So now we're gonna get into my parting for the actual installation itself. First thing I'm gonna do a middle part, but I'm not gonna go all the way down. When I installed it the first time and I went all the way down for a middle part, the back of my hair kind of looked not as full as the rest of my hair. Learn from my mistakes, stop the middle part like halfway so your hair can be full. Is it giving middle? I'm gonna do like the perimeter now and go straight across. And how we're gonna test, see if it's enough hair, we're gonna take one of the Itips and like get the eye, place it right here, and like it covers it. And so that's how I see if mine is thick enough or not. It covers it, you're good. If it doesn't cover it, take a little bit more out. I'm just gonna do that all the way around. One section here, one section here. Do it like on the side and at the back as well. And please, please, please remember, test it before you commit. Pull it up. Make sure it's covering it. And at the back, you might want to have somebody check it for you just to make sure. So 2, 4, 5. You should have 5 sections in all if you're doing it like me to get the full perimeter. And so when you pull up your hair, you'll be able to do a ponytail still. See how that works? Yeah. Want a middle part or any part, this is what you're gonna have to do. Section the part that you want. So I want a middle part in this case. Then go over to the left. Make sure you can hide it. Do the same thing on the other side. Piece right here, this is gonna be a no touch zone. Don't do these, don't put any Itips. I also want a side part as well. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna part it to the side like so. So now I have to take to the right of it, make sure it isn't showing. Doop, put it on, do the part and see if it's showing. It ain't showing. Now that is how I'm parting, doing my parts. Let's actually get into the installation part. I'm going to tell you guys first what all you will need to install the Itips. And ignore the echo, I'm in the bathroom. First things first, you're going to need the Itip. The hair itself, like this is how she's looking. This is how the Itip looks. Ignore my hangnails. You're going to need a threading thing. That is what you're going to use to apply the beads to the hair. Then you're going to need your beads. They're going to look like this. And you're going to need a clamp. That's everything you're gonna need, the Itips themselves. And these are additional things that help me that I use like along the way. So of course, scrunchies. I just got mine from Goody. I need some good clamps to keep the hair separated. You're gonna need a brush to detangle your hair. I'm just using a good old tangle teaser that has hair in it. Yeah, and some water. You're gonna need some water. This is a long haul type of style. So now that you have all that, let's get right into this install. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I installed it towards the front because I have the back and everything already done. One thing I need to get done is one more section up here. But as you can see, girl, she thick. I'm gonna show y'all her in the end. Well, y'all like my Fenty robe? Yeah, Riri got me. I forgot to close my thing. So she charged me that 50. First, you wanna make sure each section is detangled. So we're gonna detangle her. So then you're gonna pinch off your section. And I'm doing my sections very little this time because I want my hair to be voluminous. So this is about how big the section is gonna be. Like this big. We are going to grab our beads and our looper thing. Add the bead to the loop like this. Like that. I stack mine just so the time can go faster. So one thing you're gonna do one at a time. We're gonna put the hair into this thing, into this. Ooh, stop embarrassing me for my friends. Okay, now your hair is gonna be in like this. See, it's in the loop. You're gonna push this forward. Make sure the hair is coming down nice and neat. You don't want any to snag. Take the black piece, push one up. I want mine as close to the scalp as possible, but not right on my scalp because I don't want it to hurt. Get your Itip, push it in the hole, but don't push it all the way through, like the whole length of it. Just do like the tip. And then you're gonna get the clamp and clamp it. This is how it's gonna look on your hair and the bead. It's gonna be attached like that. So, ooh, hopefully you can see that. So I'm gonna show you one more time up close and then we're gonna get right into the rhythm of it. I like to do a tug test because I don't want this to come off anytime soon. So I'm just gonna do a little light tug and yeah, flip it both ways, make sure it's comfortable, not too tight. And then I'm just gonna put this here and go to the next piece. I'm gonna take our piece of hair, a little bitty section. This is too big, about this big. Take your weaver thing with the beads already stacked on. Push your hair through, push it to your scalp, pull the bead up close to the scalp and let the other part come down. I'm gonna take our Itip, push it in the hole with the strand of hair. And then you're gonna get your clamp and clamp it down. Like this, make sure it's straight and you're good. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Y'all can listen to this non-copyrighted music. Yeah. And this is that section done. This is how they're looking at the scalp. And I'm not a professional. This is DIY at home. So this is what worked for me. We're done. I've been doing this for 3 days. I'm happy. So now I'm gonna take down all the hair and show y'all what I'm working with. This Diana Ross. Then my last name Ross, girl. I knew it was on Kinky. This is how I wish my hair would like cooperate with me and do. My hair probably saying the same thing, but girl, like you can do this. This is all of the hair. I know it looks crazy right now, but when we style it, we're gonna be cute. Front, side, back, and the other side. And if you want to see how I got all of this to this, then just go to my YouTube channel. Or you can just wait till I upload it on TikTok. But yes, this is the install in all her glory. Link is in the description box, hun.